Yo, what's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beats TV. Coming to you today, another special video. What's good? What's happening, YouTube? It's your man OG Bo Beats, and I'm back with another video for you today. So today I got something special, a little different. I'm gonna give y'all some of my favorite books that I've been reading to help me on my journey for the stock market, for making money, for learning how to make money. It all makes sense now that I'm reading these books. So when I watch a lot of videos on YouTube and when I see a lot of stuff on TV, on the news channels that I watch about finance, I understand it a lot better. So I want you to know, because each one teach one, right? So before we get into these books, I want you to make sure that you like the video. Please like the video for me. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment so we can get this information out, because nobody's finna come and tell you. You're gonna have to do the research on your own. So let's jump right into it. Now, all three of these books I'm about to show you, I got off Amazon. So you can look up the books, look up the prices. I don't think I paid more than 20 bucks for any of these books. I'm sure I didn't. And I just want you to, check them out. So the first book that I'm going to show you is called Charting and Technical Analysis. This is a book by Fred McAllen, and basically this book talks to you about reading the charts, right? If you ever looked at stock market stuff and the charts and you just so confused and don't understand, this is a good book, easy to read and understand. Talks to you about all the different chart patterns, the bullish and bearish patterns, candlestick formations, a lot of good information in this book. When to invest, how to invest. Really good book. I've read it once. I'm starting to read it again just so I can lock in the information, but this is a good one right here. So please, feel free to go check this one out. All right, so this next book that I'm currently reading, I just got it maybe a week ago, and I've been jumped right into it, but it is a book called Volume Profile, the Inside Guide to Trading. All right, this book is by Trader Dale. Now, this book talks about looking at the volume when trading, right? The volume is how many people are buying or selling the stock at any specific time. It helps you understand where the stock may be going. He has a lot of good strategies in this book that don't use the candle formations necessarily to determine what to do. He talks about a lot of the institutional trading, a lot of good psychology tips in this book to help you understand the market. So I'm currently reading this one, and I'm already learning from it and take advantage of it. So Volume Profile, please go check that one out. And then last but not least, I can't wait to get into this book. I'm actually gonna start reading it today. I haven't started it yet, but this book was recommended by Kenangrace, one of my my favorite financial YouTubers, and it is called How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz. All right, so I already was flipping through it. I could tell that this is going to be a great read. It was recommended by Keenan, so I got to go for it. A lot of information in this book, a lot of tips. Things like this is what you need to do on your own if you want to start your trading journey. Nobody's going to come help you 100% and just exactly tell you what to do, because even if they do, it may not work for you. What works for somebody else may not work for you. All right, so here you go. 3 dope books. I want you to go do your own due diligence, put in the work. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about getting these books. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's your man OG Bo Beats, and I'm out.